Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Chrysler 300, stock number 17C794D. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors, and this Chrysler is all-wheel drive, so you won't slide all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.